Hey there, future superstars! Welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about your future and wondering, should I go the career route or get into a trade? Or maybe you're feeling like, what's the difference anyway? Well, today we're about to break down everything you need to know about career versus trade, the pros and cons, and help you decide which path might be right for you. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know whether you're more of a suit and tie type or a tool belt and hard hat kind of person. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. You'll get notified whenever we drop new content on career tips, financial advice and life hacks. Oh, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on this debate. Are you team career or team trade? And please, share this video with your friends because we all know someone who's stuck in career confusion. This video could be the answer they've been looking for. Alright, let's dive into what we mean by a career. When most people think of a career, they think of a long-term path that involves climbing a professional ladder. Careers tend to be in industries like finance, law, medicine, education, tech and business. These are roles where you typically go to college or a university, earn a degree and then work your way up through a company or industry. Think of a career as playing the long game. It's like planning for a marathon, not a sprint. You start somewhere at the bottom, maybe as an intern, and over time you work your way up to bigger roles. We're talking senior manager, director, vice president, and eventually, if you're lucky, maybe even chief executive officer. Well, at least that's the dream. Now, here's the thing with careers. They can offer great earning potential over time, job benefits, and even retirement plans. But don't expect things to happen overnight. It's a grind, whether you're in a corporate office or building your own tech startup. It's about consistency, learning and adapting as you grow within your industry. Plus, there's the whole corporate dress code. You know, the suits, the ties, the business casual look that makes you feel like you've got it all together, until you realize you accidentally wore white socks with your black shoes. Oops, the joys of office life. But seriously, careers often require a lot of education and specialized training. College degrees, certifications, professional networks. You get into the workforce by proving your worth over time, and eventually you'll be rewarded with promotions and pay increases. Now let's talk about trades. If a career is the long marathon, then a trade is like the super-focused sprint. It's all about skills-based work. Think electricians, plumbers, carpenters, HVAC specialists, and even hairdressers. Trades involve learning specific skills that you can use right away to start earning money. Unlike a career, which might require years of schooling, trade work often involves apprenticeships, vocational schools, or on-the-job training. It's like learning while you earn. Get paid to learn your craft, and then go out there and start working. No student loan debt looming over your head? That's a win, right? Plus, a lot of trade jobs offer flexibility. You might be running your own business, working on construction sites, or even doing repairs around people's homes. That means you're in control of your schedule, which is great if you're tired of being stuck at a desk from 9 to 5. Trade jobs also tend to offer stability. People always need things fixed, built or renovated, so you can pretty much count on a steady stream of work. Whether you're fixing leaky faucets or putting in a new HVAC system, there's always demand for skilled tradespeople. Plus, many trades offer high earning potential, with the ability to start your own business as a contractor and scale your income as you gain experience. But hey, don't think it's all sunshine and rainbows. Trades can be tough work. You're working with your hands, bending, lifting, and sometimes even getting dirty. Not to mention, you're probably going to spend a lot of time dealing with tools, machinery, and sometimes clients who want everything done yesterday. But hey, if you like the idea of being a real-life superhero who saves the day by fixing the sink, this might be for you. All right, folks, it's time for the epic showdown. Career versus trade. Which one is the winner? Well, the truth is there isn't a clear-cut answer because it all depends on what you value in your life and career. Let's talk about careers. Pros: high earning potential over time, career advancement opportunities, job benefits like health insurance and retirement plans, and status and prestige. Some career paths are highly respected. But the cons are often requires years of schooling, can be slow to see pay raises, job market can be competitive, and work-life balance can sometimes take a hit. So, let's talk about trades for a moment. There are some real upsides here. First off, you actually get paid while you learn, which is, pretty rare these days. The work itself is hands-on, so if you're not keen on sitting at a desk all day, this could be right up your alley. There's a high demand for skilled workers, and you've got some flexibility too, whether you want to work for yourself or go out and find your own clients. Plus, there's less time spent in school and more practical learning, which honestly appeals to a lot of folks. But of course, there are a few downsides you'll want to think about. The physical toll on your body can be something else. Brace yourself for that sore back. The hours can be a bit irregular depending on your clients or the industry you're in, and sometimes it's a bit harder to climb the ladder compared to those corporate jobs. So, if you're the type who loves working with your hands and wants to avoid sitting at a desk for the next 40 years, trade work could be your best friend. If you're more of the let's plan for the long haul and earn promotions while sipping coffee at my desk type, then a career might be more your speed. All right, now that we've had this showdown, let's hear from you. Comment below. Are you team career or team trade? Or maybe you're thinking about switching things up and taking a mix of both. I want to know where you stand on this debate. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who's trying to figure out their own career path. Also, don't forget to like this video if you want more career advice, tips and comparisons. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Whatever path you choose, just remember, whether you go the career route or the trade route, the most important thing is that you're working towards something that makes you happy. Until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.